initial recruitment to the post in grade 16 and above and such other posts in BS 11 to BS 15 as are notified by the government except those which under the Punjab Public Service Commission functions rules 1978 do not fall within the purview of the commission or which are specified to be filled without reference to the commission, shall be made on the basis of examination or test conducted by the commission. Full stop. Initial appointment to all posts in grades 1 and above except those filled under Rule 16, shall be made on the basis of examination or test to be held by the appropriate committee or the board, as the case may be, after advertisement of the vacancies in newspapers or in the manner to be determined by the government. Full stop. Notwithstanding anything contained in any rule to the contrary, whenever a civil servant dies while in service is declared invalidated, incapacitated for further service on of his unemployed children may be employed by the appointing authority against a post to be filled under rules 176 and 178 for which he/she possesses the prescribed qualification and experience, and such a child may be given to additional marks in the aggregate by the Public Service Commission, or by the appropriate selection board or committee provided he/she otherwise qualifies in the test, examination and or interview post in BS 6 and above. Full stop. Provided further that one child of a government servant who dies while in service is declared invalidated incapacitated for further service shall be provided a job against post in BS 4 to 5 in the department in which the deceased government servant was working without observance of formalities prescribed under the rules procedure. Full stop. Provided such child is otherwise eligible for post. Full stop. A candidate for initial appointment to a post must possesses the prescribed educational qualifications and experience and also, except as provided is the rules framed for the purpose of relaxation of age limit, must be within the age limit as laid down for the post, provided that experience where prescribed, would include equivalent experience to be determined by the government in a profession or in the service of an autonomous or semi-autonomous organization. Full stop. In order to make firm commitments on behalf of the administrative departments sponsoring proposals for framing of service recruitment rules or making amendments thereto, be administrative secretary or the head of attached department concerned should attend the meeting of service rules committee. Full stop. In case of their inability to attend the meeting, a representative of administrative department, not below the rank of a deputy secretary, fully conversant within the proposal, should attend the meeting and should be in a position to make firm commitment on behalf of the administrative secretary concerned. Full stop. I may kindly be impressed upon the representative of administrative departments who attend the meetings that discussions of the committee should be kept strictly confidentially. Finalizations of recommendations of the committee. Full stop. It may also be ensured that the proposals are thoroughly examined from all angles before these are sent for submission to the Service Rules Committee. Full stop.